Hello, Muskies. This video is just some directions to help you out as you're working on your carbon dioxide lab report. You'll notice on the first page, you'll see the single point rubric that is here to help guide you. The first thing I would like you to do is read each of these expectations, and while you're reading, if you have any questions, feel free to ask during class time, but this will help you make sure that you've got all the necessary components. The first stop is you're going to use your science notebook where you should have almost all the information that you need, and you're going to put in your responses to the pre-lab questions using a different color. Then you're going to create or put in your claim, which you've also written in your notebook. And remember, our question is, does hot salt water or cold salt water retain more CO2? Then here, you're going to put in your procedure, and I just want to remind you that the procedure should be detailed, and it should be in numbered steps. So step 1, step 2, step 3, and be as detailed and specific as possible. The next section would be a data table, and you are asked to gather quantitative data for use. Remember, to add your table, you would simply be in that box, and then you're going to go to an insert table and then decide the dimensions of your table, and then you'll be able to put your table in just like that. The next section would be your graph, and in Google Classroom, with this assignment, I have attached just a short tutorial to help you with your graphing. So take a look at that, and that'll help you out. Here's your qualitative data, which would be all of your observational data gathered with your senses. Again, be as detailed as possible. And finally, your reasoning. This is where you're going to take all of your evidence, and you're going to describe kind of what your evidence means and how it either supports or does not support your claim. And the final thing I want to draw your attention to is the last two parts of the rubric deal with the quality of your writing. And so you're going to make sure that all sentences are complete, trying to write in a more complex way and trying to minimize your grammatical errors. So take your time, use your check for success sheet. Hope you find this helpful, and this is a portfolio bound item. So really take your time, make sure you pay attention to the due date and add that to your planner. And I'm looking forward to reading all of your results. It's been fun watching you carry out your procedures that you planned. And remember, it's a great day to be a Muskie, and everyone can write a lab report.